Hi, welcome again to Fashion Freak. Cash here with you for another amazing video. I would like to first say thank you to all my new subscribers because all of a sudden right now to date I'm at 90, so by the time you guys see this I have made my goal of 100. So I'd like to thank all the new subscribers and of course the old ones, and I'd like you guys to like, share, subscribe and tell a friend because now we're going to 250. And I would like to also announce once I get to 500 I will be doing just a small giveaway, just probably to one person, and it will be all like fashion related goods, meaning clothing. And yeah, and then the next giveaway is at 1,000. That's the real one, but for now I would do a small one when I got to 500 just to show my support and appreciation. So let's get on to the video. No, I was gonna say Fashion Nova. No, Fashion Nova. We have Aliexpress. So the last video is to date my best. Right now it's at 1,500, so it's my best video. So I decided to do more. So I was gonna do accessories first, but I have 7 sunglasses and 3 still haven't arrived. So probably next month. But I'm gonna do clothing this video, and what's it called? I would say roughly about more than half. I'm waiting for 1 jacket and 2 other clothing items, so I'll just order more things and do another haul. But here's what we got so far. All right, let me take this crap out. Woo, woo, woo. 2 of the items I got yesterday, so I really don't know their quality. So we'll start with this. These are tights. I believe I got these for like $5 or $6. I don't really see them anymore, so I'll find my seller that I bought them from and hopefully they're there again. But they're these tights, and I don't know if you guys see, on this leg you have your strap in a holster, and then my whole right leg is a AK-47. Love them. They came in white with the black with the right writing, and they also came in white with the black writing, and then the other ones were like fake pink, and then they said sport. Like the seller had like a couple different variations, but this is what sold me. So yeah, I got them for like $5 or $6. I would say like they're kind of thin, so these are the kind of tights like how my nails are fresh. I could, if I'm not careful, I'll poke through them. So I've only worn them once, and I would say a little bit, like look, it already cracked a little bit from me stretching. But other than that, and yeah, this brand as well, it's one size. So if you weren't, I would say a 4 US for real, not you're stretching it out, to 0, these will fit you. Unfortunately, if you're bigger than that, these won't fit you, but they're cute, and I wore them, and all kinds of people at the mall were like, where'd you get those? People came up to me like, where'd you get those from? I didn't sell them because I had to record this video first, but yeah, they're from Aliexpress. Love them. Second item is what I'm wearing. I got this for like $3 or $4. The seller I bought it from only has black and white, but I found another seller with black, white, and red, and it's only $5. So I think I'm going to order the red from them. But the only thing I could say is because I have a long torso, that's why it kind of looks tight on me. But on everyone else on the net, it like went down that far, you know? So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it to about there so that this or my Calvin Klein or my Pretty Little Things sports bras, you see the band better, because I feel like it's sitting here on me, I think is a weird level. I think either it should sit a bit longer so it looks like a shirt, or it should be more cropped, like, so I'm gonna crop mine because I think, I don't know, comment down below, what do you think? But I think like that, if it like stopped right here so my band always showed, I think it looks better. So I'm gonna crop it. But yeah, this was $3. I think it's a decent value because here in Toronto, yes, they don't have crop mesh shirts. The mesh shirts are like $20, $30. Like they're not as popular as they were in the 80s or 90s. So, but I love mesh because I'm West Indian, and mesh, you know, if you're West Indian in the 80s and 90s, everyone's dad and uncle, even my grandpa still wears mesh, and you wear like a Kangol and your desert boots or your clocks. So that's the outfit I'm trying to recreate. And I want like the Rasta belt with like a long corduroy shorts. So 90s. So 90s dad, grandpa, uncle. So that's that. On to the next 2 items. These 2 items, these are jackets. I'm waiting for 1 more, but these I was so excited to get, because especially this one, different. So we'll go with this one first. This one, I've seen it around Aliexpress for a while. And it also, I believe, comes in orange. And I think orange has a matching skirt. I'm probably going to get the whole suit. But PLT has this now in black with no stripes. So I might get the black one from PLT. I watch Grazie here on YouTube. Love her. She bought the black and it looked really good. And it's this like Windbreaker S jacket that has the pulls. The only thing I would say on the Aliexpress site, these were purple and they were thinner. So I cut them. They also were longer because they look ugly. But it's like, yeah, a crop jacket with a collar, and it has the like racer stripe. So I'll just do a light, but I'll try everything on because I'm not gonna button it up right now. I just want to generally show you. So yeah, it's gathered at the arms, which I don't really wear my jackets like that. I always pull them up like this. So yeah, so that's how it looks if it was open. Like I probably would wear it with just a bra top, you know what I mean, summertime, and like some kind of high-waisted skirt. But how it's pictured on the website on Ali, it's closed. It's probably only open to here, and then the people like have it gathered. This item, I was lucky because I looked at a lot of retailers. Most retailers have this one size, but this retailer I found, and I'll put it. So look at the keywords if you want to buy it. Because I use the app. I don't use the internet to do Aliexpress. That's why I can't put links for you guys, just to tell you guys. So that's why I put the picture. Just put the same keywords, you'll find the item. But this retailer, why I like them, you can get sizes. So because I have a long torso and I thought small would be too high, I actually got medium. And I like it. It comes with a tag like it's legit. And yeah. And I believe this was like $13 or $14, so it wasn't expensive. So I really like this, and it worked out. It's pretty good quality. All right, sorry I left. Someone knocked. My friend came over for a quick second. But next item. So the next item is a jacket. I would say this is one of the most, like, if you've seen my last haul, I had a zip-up skirt. That was my favorite item. This is my favorite item. This actually, I would recommend this seller. I believe they're called Sweet Town. It came... Sorry, I'm running because I ran from the door and came back. It came in less than 2 weeks, so that's why I really like this retailer. Or no, if it's not Sweet Town, I think this jacket's retailer, I believe, is called Sweet Town. This jacket, I believe, is called Hey Young Girl. Because I think I also bought an accessory from them. I believe this is Hey Young Girl, but like I said, I will list it, and I'll also put the brand, because if you put Sweet Town or Hey Young Girl, the other items from the brand pops up, therefore you can find the seller and you're in. But this is, it was the only thing I'd say it's not the right material. On the website it looks like rainproof jacket material, and it's this. It's like a cropped pullover coat. Love it, love it. I pictured this with like bike shorts and or tights or high-waisted jeans, and no other retailer has something like this, so that's why I really like it. I'm unique, and I would say too why I like it, it's a true red. On the website the picture kind of looks like a fruit punch. I'm happy it wasn't that color because I don't really like pink. It's true red, which I love red. I love any primary color. But it has the same tag as the other one, Vogue Sexy Lounge, and it says medium, but when you go on the site, this is sold as a one size. So I would say it's a bit like in the width part, it is a bit baggy for me, so I would say it is true to size, and the arms are long, so I would say medium people can fit into it. The only thing is if you have either a big chest or a long torso, as I have a long torso and you're a medium, it probably would be kind of high on you. For me, it's kind of long, which I'll show in the try on, so it's good enough to be a jacket, but that's because I'm a small. So this was really nice. I believe this is $14 or $15, worth every penny. Probably would have paid $20 for it. And this is my favorite item of the haul, just to let y'all know. So we're gonna go to the last good item, and then we're gonna go to the newest things that came. They came yesterday, so I'm actually gonna dispute one of the items for sure. It kind of misses. So this is the next item. I waited. This is one of my longest taking items. I actually ordered two. Don't know where the other one is. This took like a month and a half. Okay. So it's this $3 shirt. Ooh, it's cropped. See, I feel like it looked like a full-length shirt on the website. I'll show the picture, but I'm not remembering it being, I'm not mad at it being cropped because I was going to tie it up anyway. But it's this cute alien t-shirt. It came in black and gray also. I ordered the gray, don't know where it is, so that's probably going to be in the next haul. But on the website, it was a full shirt. It wasn't a belly top, but I was going to, this is a bit high though. I was going to tie it a bit lower, you know, but I was still going to tie it up, but I like it. The alien is not embroidered, it's a stick-on. Let me just stretch it a bit. When stretching it, like the tights, it's not going to start mashing up. So the print is pretty good. It's actually cotton, which, you know, Aliexpress, they be doing all kind of other cheap materials, polyester, so it's not bad. It got piping at the end, piping around the collar. I like it, so I'm excited for the gray one to come. But yeah, I should have wore this. So yeah, there's my alien shirt because yeah, you know me, I'm a little weird, So we're gonna go to the two last items. Okay, we'll save the worst for last, the second worst. So it's this, I'll pop up a picture, two-piece set. I haven't tried it on yet, but why I didn't and why I might for sure the other piece I'm gonna dispute, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna dispute this one. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna dispute it because it's the wrong material. It was, hold on, let me take it out. It was pictured in cotton, as you see here, and this is not cotton. This is that like shiny, cheap, like on the borderline of being a bathing suit material, like polyester it has to be. So it's this it's a two-piece skirt set, and I can already tell how wide this is, that I have to wear it on my natural waist. It won't, I wanted to wear it high-waisted because the top is a short top, so I won't be able to do that. So I guess I gotta lace it myself. But this is it so far. It's not bad. That's why I didn't say it's the worst. Oh, I know. And this is the shirt. See, it's a crop top, so I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. I have to try it on. So I'm gonna try and we'll figure out what's going on with it. But I have a good feeling I might have to take this to my tailor to get like this much taken off the waistband so I can wear it high-waisted. And then this is the top, and yeah, I got all the strings. So yeah, this is this outfit. And then the skirt is thicker, so the skirt is not going to be see-through, but this is going to be see-through. Like, let's show. See how you can see? So this I'm definitely gonna have to wear a black bra with. Like the girl in the picture has no bra, but it's see-through. You can't wear any bra. Like every crevice of your nipple hair will show. So yeah, that's this. This wasn't bad. It was a $12 outfit, and like, you know, for a full art that I can make look good, $12 is perfect. So sorry, gotta put my bits and, come on, bits and bobs back. Okay, last item. Okay, color is right. The only thing that's wrong is the material. I know you guys have seen these skirts. When I open it, I just can't find, because I don't want to rip the package in case I have to return it. Because sometimes when you shoot, they ask you to return it. So just in case, cover my tracks. But it's made with that same, because I didn't know it was the same vendor when I ordered. It's made with this cheap jersey material, which I don't like because it shows every lump and bump in your body. It's unflattering to anybody, any size. Even if you're thinnest, skinny girl, it's gonna show your freaking arm hairs. Okay. But yeah, and ew, it's like puckered already. Ew. It has pockets on the. I'm gonna show the picture. On the picture, it was made with thick canvas, which an army skirt should be. It didn't have a split here, like. The zipper went all the way down, so it was just straight, and it didn't have pockets. Like, this cut looks cheesy. Like, I thought I might have worn it, but no, I gotta get my money back and get the real one. This was about 10-12 bucks, but I seen for $2 more because I looked at pictures. Other people ordered this from other vendors, and it was the actual canvas army material, which I wanted because I like thicker materials like true denim and canvas, because even though I'm thin, I don't have to, but I like it. They really like slurp in your thighs, they shape your bum well, and if it's something that's gonna be by your waist, it's gonna just hold it and be clean, like no lines, no bumps, but slurp you in. And that's for any girl, any size, I'm telling you. True jean and true canvas, like that army shirt material or button-down shirt, good structured clothing, really, I think it's more flattering than this cheap crap on anybody. So that's why I'm gonna add gift for kid for it. But I'm gonna try this on. I ordered small because it was supposed to work. Someone's calling me because my music stopped because it plays off my phone. See, there's the phone. And this is it. So yeah, I'm going to try this on for you guys, but I don't like it. It's probably not going to fit. I promised one skirt to someone for a giveaway. This is probably part of giveaway number 2. So yeah, screw the phone. Let me take a drink because they calling her. Lemonade because it's hot outside, but I have AC, so it's cool in here. So that concludes the video. I thank you guys for watching to the end. Come back. I don't know when it'll come, but for sure next month all of my shades will be here and all of my accessories, and that is the video I'm most excited for. So come back for that. I appreciate you guys, every one of you guys, and I want you to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and see me back next week. Next week probably will be, if you like this lipstick, I picked up some old colors I like and some new colors. I already taped the video, the haul of it, but I have to tape, like I'm going to swatch it and show differences and what works on my skin color in case you are my skin color. So come back next week. We're going to have a beauty video. It's not really going to be a try, it's more going to be a haul of things I buy, and like, because a lot of people do like my lip colors, it's mostly lip colors. So yeah, thank you once again, Fashion Freak. I'm out.